This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase Advanced Trading on iPhone. First, open your Coinbase app and navigate to the Advanced Trade section, typically found in the main menu or by tapping the two-arrow icon. This dedicated interface provides powerful tools for serious traders. You will find comprehensive charting, a live order book, and detailed market depth. It offers a robust experience, allowing you to manage your crypto assets with greater control and insight, all from your mobile device. Once inside the Advanced Trade interface, you will see a clear layout designed for efficiency. The large central area displays interactive price charts, offering various timeframes and indicators. Below this, you will find the live order book, showing current buy and sell orders. To the side, your trade history and open orders are visible. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these elements. Understanding their placement is key to effective trading on the go. Placing an order is straightforward. Select your desired asset pair, like Bitcoin versus US dollar. You can choose from several order types. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price for buying or selling. Stop orders help manage risk by triggering a market or limit order when a certain price is reached. Always double-check your order details, including amount and price, before confirming your trade. After placing trades, effectively managing your portfolio is crucial. The Advanced Trade section allows you to easily view and modify your open orders. You can cancel or adjust limit and stop orders as market conditions evolve. Regularly review your trade history to analyze past performance and learn from your decisions. Additionally, you can securely deposit or withdraw funds directly through this interface, ensuring seamless control over your crypto assets at all times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.